everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to open an account with Citizens Bank, you're in the right place. Today I'm walking you through the step-by-step process on how you can open your account on Citizens Bank. So let's get started. Go ahead and head over into Citizens Bank website. From here, go ahead and click on the login button at the top right of your screen and hit on the enroll now button to be able to create an account on Citizens Bank. That will redirect you into this page where you can actually first select an account type. So just select allow while using the site for this section. You can select from personal account or small business account. After that, hit on the next button. In this section, you need to enter personal details such as your last name, your social security number, and your date of birth. This is to verify that you are a US citizen creating a bank account on Citizens Bank. After that, you'll need to accept their terms and conditions on the Citizens Bank, and then you'll need to create your user ID for your Citizens Bank online banking app. Now, after you do that, you can simply deposit money into your account via debit card or bank transfer. Now, once you've completed the steps, you'll receive a confirmation email that your account is officially open and ready to use. Here are some quick tips to help you choose the right account. Go for a checking account if you need easy access to your money for daily expenses. Choose a savings account if you're looking to grow your funds over time. Now, if you're a student, check out their student account options for lower fees and added perks. And that's it. Opening an account in Citizens Bank is super simple. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Guide Central, and hit the notification bell so you'd never miss out on our latest videos. Have some questions? Drop them in the comments below and I'll be happy to help you. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.